Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinatawag ng Houston Rockets ang Golden State Warriors 91-90. Top performer ng Houston Rockets si Alperen Sengun sa likod ng kanyang 26 points, 11 rebounds, 5 assists at 3 steals. Humakot naman si Jabari Smith ng 15 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 2 blocks. Dillon Brooks 9 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals at 1 block. Fred VanVleet 8 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists. Jalen Green 12 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Alperen Sengun 26 points, 11 rebounds, 5 assists at 3 steals. Nag-ambag naman si Terry Eason ng 9 points, 7 rebounds at 1 assist. Amen Thompson 10 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Aaron Holiday 2 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong Golden State Warriors, nagtala si Draymond Green ng 8 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Stephen Curry 19 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Buddy Hield 15 points, 4 rebounds, 2 steals at 3 blocks. Gary Payton 4 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Jonathan Kuminga 20 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Kevon Looney ng 2 points, 7 rebounds at 1 assist. Lindy Waters 8 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Jackson Davis 4 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 2 blocks. Pat Spencer 2 points, 2 assists at 2 steals. Brandon Podziemski 8 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang NBA Cup Playoff Bracket. Para sa East Division, parehong pasok na sa semifinals ang Milwaukee Bucks at Atlanta Hawks. Para naman sa West Division, pasok na sa semifinals ang Oklahoma City Thunder at Houston Rockets. Heto ang semifinals game schedule ng NBA Cup ngayong December 15, 2024. Maglalaban ang Atlanta Hawks at Milwaukee Bucks 5:30 AM Philippine Time. Kakalabanin naman ng Houston Rockets ang Oklahoma City Thunder 9:30 AM Philippine Time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.